a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. We've got another product spotlight for you. This one is from Soap Palooza Men's Grooming and Mike from Long Island Shaves, a collaboration between them two. I believe this is Mike's first collaboration. Congratulations, my friend. And this one is fantastic. Coming out the gate with his first collab with such a fantastic fragrance. And that is Long Island Shaves. Soap Palooza and Long Island Shaves presents Havana Drift. And look at that amazing, amazing label. And man, the fragrance on this, oh, it's so good. So good. I also have the matching splash and the EDP for this one. I had to get the EDP for this one. There's also a deodorant, if I'm not mistaken. I really love Soap Palooza's deodorants, and I ordered a couple recently, and I am going to be picking this one up as well. For the hardware, I'm using something new. I've shaved with it once so far, and this is a razor from Japan. There is a YouTuber who has his own shave shop, Kojak Razors. I'll have a link to his YouTube channel below if you want to check it out. It is in Japanese, of course. But he designed a razor in Japan, and it is called the Five-Pointed Star Benton. His store brand is called the Five-Pointed Star. He's got soap and everything. I did a shave of the day with his using all his products in the razor, but I'm going to have more of a video on this razor later, but let me show it off. This is the Five-Pointed Star Benton, stainless steel, beautifully machined razor. And let me see if I can get the bottom. It does say Five-Pointed Star on that with a star in the blade post, which is really cool. And but that's the razor. We're going to be doing a head shave today. And for the brush, I thought this matched the label pretty well. This is a Moon Soaps, and this one is called, if I remember correctly, Plasma Donor, I believe is what it was called. Really beautiful, beautiful brush. Haven't used this in quite a while, but losing the water. But as I said, I thought it matched the label pretty good. So that's what we're using today. So let's get the brush loaded and get moving with this head shave. I cannot wait. First use of this soap. And let's go. Man, Havana Drift. Set sail for an unforgettable shaving experience with Havana Drift, the debut collaboration between Long Island Shaves and Soap Palooza Men's Grooming. Inspired by the timeless charm of old Havana, warm Caribbean breezes, sun-washed streets, and evenings overlooking the sea, Havana Drift blends bright tropical freshness with smooth, refined masculinity. The scent opens with vibrant grapefruit and creamy coconut, drifting into a rich heart of tobacco and leather. As the shave deepens, warm cognac and dark rum rise to the surface, adding a sophisticated boozy warmth. A finishing touch of vanilla and toasted marshmallow, interesting choice, brings a subtle sweetness that completes the experience. Fresh enough for summer, rich enough for year-round wear, distinct enough to stand apart from the ordinary. So the fragrance profile is top notes of coconut and grapefruit, heart notes of tobacco and leather, base notes of cognac, dark rum, vanilla, and toasted marshmallow. And while I'm loading this brush, I cannot get enough of this fragrance. It smells incredible. And that is more than enough. All right, let's get the tub rinsed out. Ooh, man, that smells good. So, what's crazy is that grapefruit, which can overpower, is not. It is blending beautifully with the coconut on those top notes. I'm enjoying that tremendously. Now, I personally love grapefruit. I wouldn't mind if it overpowered in most fragrances, but I think having it a bit more muted in this works better because of the type of fragrance it is. Let me get this mug out of the way and set that there. All right, let's get the glasses off and the head wet. And let's get ready. I really need to fill my bottle. I'm probably going to run out of water with this shave. I keep forgetting to fill it. All right, that's good. And let's start with the lather. If you haven't tried Soap Palooza yet, what are you waiting for, my friends? There is enough video evidence out there that they are an amazing shave soap with some amazing fragrances. David Young has done incredible, and him and Mike with Long Island Shaving has gone above and beyond with this fragrance. Excellent, excellent work, you guys. Let's get some water on this. Absolutely loving Havana Drift. Man, I wanted to use it as soon as I got it, but I wanted to wait and make this video first. Get some more. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh. Oh, man. You're killing me, guys. You're killing me. I am so glad I grabbed the EDP. I could smell that. This is year-round. I can already tell you this is year-round for me. And I'm not even getting the full effect of the fragrance. This is just off the soap. As you can tell, Soap Palooza takes plenty of water. Oh, so good. Beautiful. And we are going to call it at that. Man, I might have to do a face shave too, but I'm trying to save that for another video. But I can't get enough. Oh, get the razor warmed up and wet. Mike, David, whew, you did it, guys. Wow, this is an amazing, amazing fragrance. Jeez. Huge fan. Outstanding job, guys. I will definitely be wearing this a few days in a row. Man, I can't wait. I haven't even tried the EDP yet. Normally I'll spray a little as soon as I get one, but I haven't even used it yet. It's going to be exciting to use. Oh, fantastic. Super slick as always. Very protective. Soap Palooza is among some of my favorite artisans and an outstanding gentleman to boot. He was at the Texas Wet Shavers meetup, but I was a huge fan even before that. And couldn't be a pairing of two greater guys. Mike from Long Island Shaving has been a good friend for a while. He actually gave me a lot of advice when I reached out to him when I started my channel, actually even before I started my channel. And I'm always eternally grateful for that, Mike. So I had to partake of his first collaboration, especially being with Soap Palooza, because I knew it was going to be fantastic. Mike and I have a similar interest in fragrance, and I knew I was going to enjoy it if he had approved of it and worked on it. All right, see if we need any cleanup on the front, and I don't think we do. Wow, that was just a little right here. This razor is so efficient. Now, I got this razor. Kojak Razors does not ship to the US, and there's not a distributor yet in the US that's carrying it. So I reached out to Mully Shaves, and I had it sent to him and had him send it to me, of course, because he lives in Japan. And that's how I was able to get a hold of this razor. Oh, this fragrance. Getting into that sweetness of the rum and vanilla right now, and toasted marshmallow, which it's not really poking its head out like marshmallow. I'm assuming it's just, I'll know more in the splash, but I'm assuming it's just pairing with the vanilla. The tobacco is beautiful in this. Not quite getting leather off the soap yet, but I'm sure I will in the splash. Alright, let's see where we're at back here. Get those little hairs on the neck that are always so hard for some reason. Just a spot right here. And a little bit going this way. Perfect. Little spot right there. The other side, same thing on the neck. Always those little hairs. Perfect. All right. All right, I'm gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash and the EDP. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Woo! Man, that was a perfect shave. Looks like I got a little bit of a weeper right there. I thought I felt a little steam when I was rinsing, but oh, and another little one, but that's a bump. I could feel that bump. Oh, all the bumps that just pop up randomly on my head. But I am BBS. I wasn't even trying. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Time for the splash. Cannot wait. Get the full effect of this fragrance. Oh. David Young has impressed me so much with his fragrances. So much. Oh, geez. Oh, definitely get the grapefruit a bit more. And I'm not even... Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. All right, the coconut's a little more subdued off the top than it is in the soap, which is kind of nice, because pairing with what you've just used, and the grapefruit's a little more forward, but you're definitely getting the cognac and the rum more. A little bit of the bite of the leather's in there as well. I'm sure I'm going to get more of that in the dry down, and that since it's kind of rearing its head at the beginning. Oh, and this is going to give way. I can tell already it's going to give way to the tobacco and leather and the boozy notes. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, geez. Oh, it's so good. Whew. Guys, you killed it. You killed it. I should have shaved with this the second I opened the box. I cannot get enough of this. Guys, check out Long Island Shaving, Soap Palooza's collaboration, Havana Drift at Soap Palooza. I'll have the link to the website down below. If you decide this resonates with you like it does with me, you might think about picking it up. I believe he does have it in a bundle of soap and splash, and you can get the individual elements as well. There is an EDP and a deodorant. Not sure if there's a bar soap or not, but you might look and see. Soap Palooza's bar soaps are incredible. That's all I got, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on a Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in whatever